So, today for maths we're talking about the place value in numbers. Okay, so when we're talking about the place value of numbers, what is it that we're thinking about? We were talking about it just before I started this recording. So numbers have a special order, don't they?
Yeah.
What do we start with?
10. Oh, 1.
What do we start with?
1.
Ones, and then?
10.
Then?
100.
Okay, stop there. So if I've got a number that is a hundreds number, how many digits does it have? 3. Very good, Casey. So what's a digit? Okay, so shh. Say that again, Casey.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Excellent. So if it's a 3-digit number, it has 3 numbers, doesn't it? And the place value of those numbers is going to be hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay. So today we're going to be using some different materials to make 2- and 3-digit numbers. So in front of me here, I've got the money, I've got the place value blocks, and I've got some matchsticks. Okay? So I'm going to just get you guys to sit down for a second and listen to the instructions, Matua. I'm going to get you to make the number that I put on the projector out of whatever material you want to, and then we'll have a look at what people have come up with. So we're just going to quickly make the number that I say on the projector, okay? Mara Makoto?
Aye.
So we're using different materials to make the number 28. So Casey, can you tell me what you've done?
Well, because I found out that was 10 and that was 10, so that equals 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Awesome, so you've got how many tens?
2.
And how many ones?
8.
Awesome, good boy. So Kiana, how did you make 28?
Using the matchsticks.
So what have you got? How many of them have you got?
28.
So you've got 28 ones. Is there some way you could group them that would make it easier to count? What could you do? Have a think about that and I'll come back in a minute. So here's Desire. Can you tell us what you've done?
I've got 2 tens and then I added on 8 ones and then that made 28. But then I counted on from 20 to 28.
Just to check. Fantastic. Awesome. So we've all made the number 28 in lots of different ways. Matua, can you tell me what you used?
Matches.
Matches. And how did you make 28?
I counted letters.
So how many matches did you count?
28.
So you counted 28 ones. Yep. Awesome. Well done. Rajiv, what did you do?
I did the dollar one and
The dollars. So what did you have?
I had 10 and 10 and 1 and 1 and 1.
So you had 2 tens and how many $1 notes to make 28? 8.
One.
Fantastic. Good boy. Girls, let's see. Destiny, how did you make 28? You had 2 tens and...
And then I did 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
So 2 tens and 8 ones as well? Awesome. Fantastic.
Yay.
Bree?
I need another one.
Okay, that's cool. Borrow another one. Okay, Lucas, what did you do?
I got 2 tens and 8 ones.
And what did you use to make yours?
Place value blocks.
Fantastic. Good boy. And I can see your lovely partner next door has done the same thing. So what have you got?
2 tens and 8.
8 ones?
Ones.
Great.
And
Okay, nobody should be moving. We've done you. I talked to you before. Okay. Right. Shh. Kiana over here had originally made 28 out of the ones. What I said to her was, is there a different way you could group your matchsticks? Can you see what she's done? So that they're easier to count. What have you done now, Kiana? How have you grouped them? You've grouped them by colour. Does that make it easier to count? How do you count them easily? Show us.
I counted to 20 and then I just grabbed 8 more.
So how many have you got in each pile? Okay, stop. I'm going to come around and put a pile of matches in front of you. When there's matches in front of you, I want you to count 28 and put them in front of you in a way that you think is an easy way to count them quickly. See if you can think of a way. I don't want you to call out. I just want you to work it out for yourself. Got it? 28. So Kiana's grouped her matches again. How did you group them this time, Kiana?
I counted 2 tens
And what else?
and 1 8.
Or 8 ones. Okay, so Kiana this time has grouped hers in 2 tens and 8 ones. So you can go 10, 20, 8. Awesome. Leon, what did you group yours into?
5.
So how many groups of 5 did you have?
5.
5, so count them for me.
2. 1, 2.
No, show me how you count in 5s to figure out how many you've got.
10.
5,
10. 15. 20.
25, and then you've got 3 left, 26, 27,
28.
Awesome, Leon, good job. So we've now all made our matches into what groups have we got?
28.
What groups do we have?
10.
How many 10s? 2. And how many ones?
1.
So can you see the number? Yep, 8 ones. Can you see the number 28 behind me on the board? Or has it gone off? Okay, so the number 28 looks like this. If you're asked to make 28 out of matches, is it easier to count them all?
No.
Or would it be easier next time to get 2 groups of 10
Yes.
and 8 ones? So you could also do that with the place value blocks like some of you did at the beginning. Or if you're using the money, you'd know that you'd need 2 10s and 8 $1 notes, wouldn't you? So there's lots of different ways we can make the same number. So well done, you guys. You've done good work today. That's awesome. So Taniel has shown us another way of grouping his that he worked out 28. What did you do?
I did 9 plus 9 equals 19 and then the...
9 plus 9 equals what?
9 plus 9 equals 18 and then added another 10 and that equals 28.
Fantastic. Awesome.